About the wings. Oh my gosh. I can't believe you let me do this. Hi guys. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing this gorgeous faces makeup. Since I don't have a boyfriend, I get to do it on my sons. Ew, you have a ugly black head back here. Alright, stay tuned. We'll see how gorgeous he looks. Show them your face for the before. So, we are going to be starting today with primer. Stop. We gotta make it stay. Make sure it stays on all day.
It's not staying on all day.
I'm just kidding. You can wash your face. Golly. This is my thing. Oh my boy, your eyes already look so pretty.
I don't care about Just hurry up, please.
Where are you going? You know, makeup artists absolutely hate when we have people sitting in our chair and they're on the freaking phone. Get off your phone.
Get them all.
You gotta get them all, but we'll put it back in there in a minute. Why are you cute? No, Evan, I said no.
Hurry.
Eric, be quiet already. I already told you, stop being on your phone. Be cute.
You get to tell me to get groomed.
Look up. It's not easy wearing makeup.
I don't want to wear it.
Like, look up, not your eyebrow. No.
Ditching.
Let me see. What does that mean? So cutie. Now we are going to set it.
No, it's in my eyes.
You have some big old bushy eyebrows. You, sir, have wrinkles. And you're too young to have wrinkles. I think these eyebrows are mine. Everybody wants to know if Little Eric has a girlfriend. Huh?
Nope.
So what does he like to do on his free time? Is that even a question I would like to know? No? Interesting. I'm really trying to keep you as manly as possible.
Mom,
Believe
there's
it or
makeup on
not.
my face right now. It's like my man card is gone.
It's gonna help you get all the girls.
For guys.
Let me see. Bro, those eyebrows though. Don't worry. We gotta bring out those eyes. Be cute. Guys, if y'all have green eyes, orange is your color. How do you feel about that? You're so annoying. I hate you.
She wants me to react positively to this.
And I'm being nice and doing it soft. Can I do eyeliner?
Sure. Yes.
You feel about your eyes. Let me see, close your eyes. Let's do the wings. It's gonna feel weird and cold. It's kind of hard to do so the camera can see. You feel me? I'm all shaky, my legs open. Can you imagine if you were a girl? You'd be cute with those eyes. This is what happens when you have boys for as kids and you're a makeup artist. Open your eye.
Stuff better come off.
It comes off every day. Now the
Nuh-uh.
Eric! You gotta let me do the eyelashes. Just little ones. Let me see. Just go in with a little contour. To make little Eric have cheekbones. Now, we's gonna add some highlights. Oh my goodness, glow up. You better tell people I did your makeup. Is it a little sticky? You used to have like way longer eyelashes. Guys, when Eric was little, he would pick out and take his eyelashes out. Do you remember that? You would. I'm just gonna be nice and I'll just do it.
No, well, no, this trap one thing we're not gonna do.
Why? Can we do gloss? We gotta complete the look. Where's the eyelash?
You're gonna take out my eyelashes?
No, I'm gonna take out your eyelashes. Doesn't feel. Wait, you see your eyelashes?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you see them? Does it feel sticky, slimy,
Yes.
itchy? Oh my god. Your eyes, they look so pretty. I really wish I would have had a little daughter with these eyes.
Said you got a good looking boy. Handsome man.
Open? What are you? Whoa.
I like James Charles.
Let me see. Fun fact, Eric met James Charles. In California. Look at those eyes. Bat the wings. Oh my gosh. I can't believe you let me do this. Just a little bit. Just a little lip. He won't let me put on lips. Look up. I'm trying to get your bottom lashes. Wow. Guys. He looks cute, doesn't he? You look cute, Daddy? You're a cute guy with makeup on? Say something.
No.
Can you see yourself? those ojos. Would have been nice if you shaved this off.
You gotta leave some part of me.
Alright guys, we're officially done. He let me. Can y'all believe he let me? Gonna fix the hair. Oh, so cutie. Go follow us. Subscribe. Like, comment, share. Let's show everybody what he looks like.
No.
The moment of truth.
Mom, it better come on.
It will. It's permanent. That's the best feeling in the world right there. Can you imagine what girls go through for that? You get anxiety?
It's too cold.
Yeah, you need hot water. Hurry up. You gotta wash it off with some sort of soap.
No, I haven't, so it's not coming out.
It's not gonna come off with just water, bro.
Go give me some soap.
What did it say?
Nothing.
Really?
This isn't enough.
Yes, it is. Open it up. Just washing it off.
Mom, this black stuff isn't coming off.
It will.